Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down and find more security and privacy, and now scroll to find credential storage. Let's tap. Now tap on remove all user certificates and confirm it with OK. You will also have to confirm it with your screen lock, so let's do it. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.